How to build Evilginx project on the server, or how to build any Go project on the server. So can you see I have Evilginx 2 already downloaded on my server. If I do ls right here, it is showing the files. Can you see most of the files are go.mod, go.sum. That means it's a Go project. And how we can build that? Because the binary is not there, you need to install the Go. But if I try to install the Go, it will install the default version of the Go. So how to install the specific version of the Go? That's also hard, because if you try to build this particular project, it will not build with any Go version. Which version you need? You need to open one file called nano.go.mod, this file. Okay, if you open this particular file, it will show it needs Go 1.22. That's the version we supposed to install. So how exactly we can install that particular version? First of all, we need to make sure that we don't have Go installed. So if I do Go version, can you see it is showing the version called 1.228? That means I already have that particular one installed version. But in your case, if this version is not matching, then what you can do is you can type which Go. It will show you one path like this. Then you need to copy this particular path and type remove and this particular path and hit enter button. Once you hit enter button, then you need to download the new Go binary. Okay, and how exactly you can do that? You can do that using this command. Um, yeah, wget and the path for the Go binary, something like this. Okay, this is the wget and path for the Go binary. Here I am installing 1.22.8, but you can install any version using this. Once this particular command is done, then you can extract using this particular command right here, like this. And once it is extracted and pasted in this particular path, then again you need to open the bash hrc file and add this particular line in the bottom. Okay, and once everything is done, then you will have the Go version ready. In my case, it's a 1.22. Now let's go to the building of the project. Hence it is a Go project. I can just type Go build. Okay, and it will start building the project. Depending upon your server size, RAM and CPU, it will take some time, but it should finish faster. Okay, as you can see, the Go build process has been completed. If I do ls, can you see it is saying Evilginx 2 in the green? Previously, it was not saying. That means this is the binary that was built using the project. Now you can simply do /Evilginx 2 and it will show you this particular nice screen. That means it is working. So yeah, this is how you build your Go project, or this is how you build your Evilginx project.